Hello guys! So for today, I'm going to share with you this USB cable with lightning connector. This is 6 feet and compatible with iPhone and iPad. Box said that it is made with DuPont Kevlar fiber and 7,000 plus bend tested, heavy duty durable cable, small head, and fits most cases. It also said here that it is 2 times braided cable, heavy duty. They said here that it has been certified by the developer to meet Apple performance standard. Although Apple is not responsible to the operation of this device or its compliance with safety and regulatory standards. Now we're going to test this product to our battery here, see if this will work. And we are going to charge our iPhone here. Alright, it seems that everything works and I don't see any problem with it. So thank you so much guys for watching. You can find this kind of product in your local grocery store or in Amazon. Thank you.